Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw Trc20 USDT from your Trust Wallet to Bybit exchange. For that, first of all, launch your Trust Wallet application and here use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Now here you will be able to find USDT on various networks. Among these, you just have to select USDT based on the Tron network, which is the Trc20 network, and the icon of it would be red. So after selecting it, you need to press the send button and now it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get this address, you need to launch your Bybit application, then tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Here select the deposit option and select deposit crypto. Now over here you just have to simply use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Now once you are able to find USDT, you just have to tap on its icon. Now it will ask you to choose the chain type or the network. So since we want to withdraw our USDT in the Trc20 network and in our Trust Wallet we have selected USDT that was based on Trc20, you need to make sure that in Bybit exchange as well, Trc20 option you select. So after selecting it, you will be able to see your QR code as well as the deposit address. So you just have to copy these details from here, then come back to your Trust Wallet and paste the address in this section. After that, you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer and press next in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to review and confirm your transaction. Now once your transaction is processed and confirmed, you will receive your USDT that was on Trc20 from your Trust Wallet account to your Bybit exchange. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, comments and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.